she doesn't really mind not working as of the moment to have that private life. Nasaan na nga ba si Angel Locsin? Siya ay nagpapahinga lamang and has no intentions of coming back to the showbiz industry yet. At ang isa pa pong update na nakuha natin ay si Angel Locsin ay nag-i-enjoy ng kanyang personal time with the husband and she's now into mobile phone gaming. She's deserving of self-love, a time for you to just enjoy the moment with your loved ones, to have that private life. Let's applaud her for being her true self by showing us the real Angel Locsin in a way that she doesn't really mind not working as of the moment, because at this phase of her life, it's self-love, taking care of herself, her loved one, and she deserves that.